Welcome to Mishry Reviews. In this video, we will be unboxing Morphy Richard's AT-201 2-slice 650 watt pop-up toaster. This pop-up toaster comes with an instruction manual and a warranty card. The Morphy Richard's toaster consumes very little power. It has 7 different levels of heating to give you your perfect toast. To remove the crumbs, you have to open the metal bottom of the toaster. It has a high lift feature that removes even the small bread pieces that might get stuck in the toaster.